everyone. It's July the 9th, 2026. Time is 1:05 p.m. Houston time. Two Unpleasant play going short earlier made money on the long, as you can see, 235. And right now this is going back and forth, and right now it's going nowhere. That is a fact. So we're going to pick up storm from here, and we will, I hope so. Right now I am being clubbed, but I'm hanging on there with my two short NQs, and hopefully it will give me some money, not to leave anything on the table which we earned the other day. All right, in the lead. No rush. I know that it may turn my table upside down too, right? So right now I'm in a net loss of 125 and counting. Would it come back on the track where this trade is supposed to go, which means that it goes short, it goes south. So until then, I guess I'm going to hold my breath, although it doesn't look that good, but I'm still confident that it is going to come back and bet for me, meaning it will go south. But before it goes that, it is giving me some hiccups. Had we not made 235 in an earlier trade, this would have been really looking bad. All right, so I'm going to stay quiet. This may be that we may be in a long haul right now. It may take some time before this trade turns profitable. Would it? I don't know. You know, as when you go into trade, you are at the mercy of the buyers and the sellers, and that's where we are right now. I better stay quiet, right? Because it's not going anywhere. Should I be listening to the music which I enjoy when I go on a trade? Right now, it's a $420 loss. That means the earlier 235 gain is gone. It's a whisper. The wind is blowing against my trade. For now, right? So the profit and loss is not realized until you close the trade. And I'm not willing to give up my grounds. I'm sticking with my guns. It doesn't look that hard, right? Okay. I'll coast and see. The question now is that I better put a stop loss on it, right? Because I don't want to lose a whole lot here. So, here we go. I'll put a stop loss right there. If we get the clubbing, we know where to park it. So let's go ahead and do that, and we see what is happening. All right, how bad is it? Well, lost the 235 and topping it off with another 215 added to the loss. 235 gone, so standing at about 430 plus. Not good, not good. I still believe that the tide will turn, although it is not looking good. Should I close shop and wait until I find it would be a good point to trade or continue to suffer here? So where are we at? We are down 85. Oh, it took the swing just about when I was contemplating what not to do. Okay, so back in the green and going back and forth. I believe this will turn into a good trade. Question is, where do I cash it? Because should I cash when? So I still underwater because my 235 is left with only $50 plus plus minus. Would this work for us? Well, at least I need to have my 235 back, right? I was counting my chicken for the 1,000 for the day, and it doesn't look hot. All right, then I guess I need to play some music, right? So let's do this. Back to my Wild West. How about the cowboy whistle music? Looks like we are stuck in a long game here. So, two ways to handle it. Get out of it and wait for the good times to roll, whatever direction I might calculate at that time, or just stay the course. I'm thinking of holding the fortress, staying in here until it gives my money back and more. I hope so. All right, back to the music. Well. Where are we? 192.25 is back, and now we are getting some in the green. We are up by 30 plus minus right now. As I said, I'm going to hold the fortress. I am not leaving town. So I'm staying in here and grab my money back. Folks, I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm getting there where I wanted to be. The trade has turned the tide. It's coming my way. I was on their highway before, so we are at 500 plus or minus. Although this particular trade is yielding so far about 400 plus minus. But I have placed my deal right there. I know it will continue to travel south. I do not care. I want my money and I'm out happy. So in this particular trade, we are so far about 300 plus minus. That brings, if we cash it, we are a total yield of about 500 plus minus. So continue to hold the fortress, keep on trucking my way. I hope so. That was the intention when I placed the trade. It is cutting back into the gains made. But would it come back and make me happy? I hope so. I tend to hold it and until it gives me the projections I have made for this particular trade. So in this trade, as you can see, we are up about 300 plus minus. If it goes with one full stroke, we may be done here. There you go, it's buzzing again. We are about 700 plus minus. It is going on track. We are at about close 800 and it is getting to the marker and it will hit right there. Should we continue to blow past that to make a nice round figure? Okay, let me bring this baby down a bit here and see if it gives the full juice. We are at about 600 plus minus, and if it continues to flow, the energy is our way. We are at about 800 and this might be the push which will clear all the dust. Yes, it will be. We are at 900 and we are calling for 1,000 gain here. As you can see, we were in the dark spots. It was stabbing me right in my ribs. We are at 900. There you go. And that the $1,000 mark is coming up pretty quick. And I'll be happy. It will cash it. We are right at 900 plus minus. Would it continue to flow? It looks like we are in good place. This trade is at about 500 plus minus. Would it go back down? I am confident it is going to give me my money. It is giving me a hard time right now. Is it also a good time to cash it? We were at 900 plus. I think so. I am not leaving town until I get my money. So we are back up to 800 plus. And bang, there you go. We made our 985 and our close shop. Excuse me. So for the day we are at 985. I am done. We were in this trade for almost about 20 minutes or so. Let it flow. Doesn't matter. I'm done. I'm happy, and so that's my strategy. All right. So we'll close shop here, and we'll see you another day, another time. Thank you so much.